Is your property suffering from cold, damp windows and high energy costs? EVS has two great solutions to improve home living without needing to replace your character windows. EVS provides a leading solution that insulates the existing glass using its patented clip-on insulated panel system. EVS Retro-triple glazing offers protection against condensation, noise, and heat loss. It is designed to fit over the outside of your existing timber-framed windows and protect them from the weather and reduce ongoing maintenance. They retain the original character window fabric and are accepted as a protective solution on many heritage-listed properties. EVS has also developed a range of draft seals that provide a durable, permanent solution. Their patented design can cope with seasonal fluctuations as well as provide a high level of protection against noise. EVS products can be supplied and installed by your own team, or we can connect you to one of our trained installers around the country. Get in touch with us today for a free window assessment and quote.